Welcome to my channel. My name is Brianna, or you can call me Bree, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my WOLFPak backpack. I've already opened the top because I couldn't wait, so let's just get right into it. And of course, this is my WOLFPak backpack in the little bag that they come in, just a regular plastic bag, and some extra items that I did order. Kind of difficult to open. And just like that, my brand new WOLFPak backpack. It is the Barbie edition one. I originally thought, well, a lot of people in the comments, in the reviews, posted that they thought it was light pink, but from the pictures it looks like pink, but it's just like, I guess the lining makes it look light pink, but it's actually white with pink hits all over the backpack. And this is the 25-liter. I originally wanted a pink backpack because, well, I originally wanted a 25-liter backpack, but I felt like that was like not too big, not too little for me. And then I was sad because I wanted the Barbie edition backpack, but they didn't have a 25-liter. But then when I was gonna purchase, I saw that they were gonna drop another, they're going to drop more of the Barbie backpacks, and they had created the 25 liters. The WOLFPak patch in the front and the dream pink. Yeah, let's get to opening this. And also it has the little tag right here and a little WOLFPak. On the straps, there's the dream pink again. Very nice, very nice. And starting from opening here in the small pouch, a WOLFPak sticker, the WOLFPak never average, always a wolf bracelet, two zipper ties, pull ties, just like how the backpack has them, and a little coin. Really cute. Make your mark in this world 2024. So I'm guessing they give you one with every backpack you order, maybe every item you order, I'm not really sure. That was in this little pack. And then opening from this area, this is cute, where you can put like your little pens, your little pencils, whatever you carry. Going for the middle compartment. Very spacious. Another area to carry your items. And going for the last biggest compartment is one item that I did order. Let me just take this out real quick. And it's crazy how like you can open the stuff back completely. I just need to take off these little clips, and you can open it, like completely open it, and you can put like your shoes, your clothes. I am gonna use this for the gym, and a lot of gym people do have this type of backpack, so I'm excited to see the wear and tear with the little cute pink right there. And you can feel like a laptop, an iPad. Maybe I'll buy a Kindle and I could use my Kindle at the gym when I'm on the treadmill. Who knows? And then of course in the backpack there's extra compartment. It is kind of difficult to open, but that's a good thing. And more area to fit your stuff in this compartment. Not sure what I would put in there, but You never know. And then these are the straps. And of course, you have to have an area to put your little drink, your little protein drinks, your water on the side. So yeah, I'm so excited to use my backpack. And then since I did order some extra things and it is an unboxing, I will show you what else I ordered. Starting off with the item that looked very interesting when I took it out of the bag is this little protein shaker. It says WOLFPak, never average, always a wolf in the bag kit. And it is a 16 ounce, just a simple clear one. And here in the bottom you can put like your little protein, any little items, just an extra compartment. I'm probably gonna put like my oxy shred here and then put the water in it when I'm ready to drink it. So yeah, just something plain, very simple. My first little shaker. And also, since you can add patches to the backpack, I did order 2 patches, and I think you could tell what my favorite color is just by looking at these. Yeah, I really like pink. So originally, I bought my brother a WOLFPak backpack, but the 9-liter one, and I bought myself patches without even buying myself the backpack first. So yeah, this helped motivate me to purchase the backpack next. And then I just got this one, and then this little pink one. This one's really, really cute. Never average. I think it looks so funny. It's okay. Motivation to keep going to the gym. Buy yourself gym stuff. You know, I'm so excited to start my WOLFPak journey. And let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!